Hello, everyone. I welcome you to a new series, Unveil Clarity in Crisis. My intention of creating this series is to share with you a guide. It's already available on our website, but what I'm trying and attempt to do here is to share with you this particular guide, which is into 6 sections. So this is the first part, wherein I have tried to create each portion of the guide into a real life story which I have captured from my coaching work. Because this is a guide that I usually share with most of my clients. And this is like the first step that might help you to provide you with some aid when you go through a difficult time. So, this particular session is the part one of the guide where you, along with me, can also do it. And let's find it out through the story of Alex. This is Alex's mind. Alex is my client and he's under crisis. His mind is all mumble jumble, like any normal mind when we go through a crisis. He's overthinking, he finds himself stuck, he's anxious. But the most interesting part here is this lack of awareness, meaning uh, under crisis, we may understand that we are going through a tough time. But one of the most significant things that none of us understand is that when crises strike, which area of our life is getting really, really impacted? Where our crises are taking us to? We know that we are disturbed. We will try to figure out an solution. We will work out. We will try find resources, put them together to find a way out. But how and where and which domain of our life is getting the most impacted, and how that is cascading down to others in our life. That is something this guide can help you understand. So let's come back to the story of Alex. Just like you and me, when Alex was under crisis, his brain was not only throwing up too many emotions, but he was also unaware of which area of his life was really getting impacted. So I helped him with a tool, and this tool you will find in the section first of this guide. You can download the guide from the description given in the comment box. So this tool, we call it the crisis recognition. This is the first step to understand which area of your life is the most impacted. Here are a set of questions. So just grab a pen and a paper, take 3 deep breaths, and you can pause the video for now if you really want to, if you feel you're going through a tough time or there's a challenge that you've been facing, and try to answer these questions. Now, these questions are designed in such a way that they will help you with your own answers to find out which area of your life is getting most impacted. I have Alex answers here, which I pulled it out from his case, the coaching I did with him. And here's what I've found. Out of the answers he has given me, we found that there were 3 areas of his life: mental health, his work life, and his habits that were the most impacted when he was going through a crisis, which was a combination of a job change and a personal loss he had recently suffered. The moment Alex answered those questions and I tried to put them into these 3 categories, out of that mumble jumble mind that Alex was holding, he had a new awareness and clarity. This is precisely the first step in finding your next step in crisis. And this is precisely what Alex found. He found that his mental health has deteriorated. He was way too emotionally distressed, reeling under negative self talk and self doubt. He was very non productive at work. And now he understood the many issues he was facing at work, what was the real cause of it. And his intake of alcohol has gone really high up. With this first step, by recognizing what really is at play, is where Alex figured out that he really needs to look for more support if he really wants a permanent solution to the problems he was in. And for that, uh, this guide has acted as his first hand or first point of support. You can download this guide helping you move from your conundrum to clarity. And along with this, if you feel just like Alex, you need more help, I am sharing with you a link through which you can connect with me for a free coaching consultation call. And let's see how we together find a way out of the mess you find yourself in.